Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Innal hamdanillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Amma ba'd. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Muhammad Kamrul Hasan, Department of Business Administration, Metropolitan University, Sylhet. Welcome to my virtual classroom, MKA Classroom. Now let's start today's video tutorial. Now we will start from objectives of business finance. In the previously we have discussed that financial management has the several names, or it can be called financial management, can be called business finance, financial management, managerial finance, business finance management, and corporate finance. So whenever we talking about the objectives of financial management, it is also seems that objectives of business finance, it is also seems that objectives of financial management, it is also seems that objectives of managerial finance, it is also seems that objectives of corporate finance, and it is also seems that objective of business financial management. Now here we try to discuss the objectives of business finance. Objectives of business finance. The principal objectives of finance are to raise capital to earn adequate profit through the investment, conservation and efficient utilizations of investable capital. So here we see the key objectives of financial management: rising capital, investment of capital, protection of capital, minimization of cost, maximization of profit, maximization of wealth, and maintain firm value. These 7 are the objective of finance. Now let us discuss. Rising of capital. The first and foremost objective of finance is to raise capital needed for the organization concerned. The financial manager attempts to raise the capital economically so that excess the fund does not remain idle, or shortage of fund does not create bottleneck in the way of running the business. Later on, investment of capital. The second objective is to invest the capital raised in appropriate times and in proper sequence. By investment of funds, we remain the financial manager should decide whether corporate money may be invested. Generally, money should be invested whether it will do most good in a corporate setting. This means being profitable. Protection of capital. It is also the objective of finance to protect capital which is invested in business. Uncertainty always prevails the business world. If investment is made unwisely and unproductively, it may bring disaster to the business unit. Therefore, in order to fulfill the objective of finance, the risks of loss and protection of capital must be given due consideration. Letter 1, minimization of cost. One objective of finance is to minimize the cost of funds in order to maximize the shareholders' wealth. So, if you maximize the wealth or if you maximize the profit, you have to minimize your cost, otherwise that two goals cannot be achieved. So, that is why minimization of cost is too much important for the business. That involves examining all alternative sources of financing. A firm may decide to issue bonds instead of a stock. Bonds are more risk than a stock. On the other hand, bonds cost less than a stock. Here, the firm accepts the risk of borrowing in exchange for a lower cost of fund. The maximization of profit. One of the important objectives of finance is to maximize the profit of the firm. Financial manager would take those actions that were expected to make a major contribution to the firm's overall profits. For each alternative being considered, the financial manager would select one that is expected to result in highest monetary return. Maximization of wealth. The other most important objective of firm is to maximize the wealth of owners for whom it is being operated. The wealth of corporate owner is measured by the share price of the stock, which in turn is based on timing of returns, magnitude and risks. Maintain firm value. One of the important objectives of finance is to maintain the value of the firm. It is generally believed that the value of the firm is maximized when the cost of capital is minimized. The optimum capital structure exists. The value of the firm is maintained with constantly. So, maintain the firm value associated with the formation of optimum capital structure. So, financial manager can maintain the optimum capital structure as the combination of debt and equity, in which firm has the more firm value. In this way, financial manager try to achieve the objective of the firm. Actually, these are the objective of finance, which are generally tried to have in every organization. First one is raising capital, investment of capital, protection of capital, minimization of cost, maximization of profit, maximization of wealth, and lastly maintain the firm value or enhancing the firm value with the preparing appropriate financing mix or optimum capital structure for the maintaining firm value. This all about today. Stay home, stay safe, try to maintain a safe social distance, try to wash your hands frequently in a day. Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaika. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.